The former Kentucky sheriff accused of shooting and killing a county judge inside his chambers appeared in court today.
The former sheriff, Sheriff Mickey Stines, is pleading not guilty to murder of a public official and could face the death penalty if, in fact, he is convicted. His defense attorneys are not denying that he shot the judge, but say that he did so while having a, quote, extreme emotional disturbance. For more on this, let's bring in NBC News correspondent Maura Barrett, who joins us now. Maura, the sheriff made his first return to that courthouse since the shooting. Take us through what happened inside.
Well, Morgan, it was an extremely brief hearing earlier today, and a reminder, this is the first time that Stines has been back in this courthouse since the shooting occurred, because after everything happened back in September, that courthouse was closed for several weeks and couldn't conduct any business. And so Stines' defense attorney entered a not guilty plea, and also noted the point that you just made, saying that they're looking, because of the extreme emotional disturbance, as they put in earlier in paperwork that we got from the court as well, they ultimately argue that a manslaughter charge would be more appropriate. Now, this murder of a public official charge, if convicted, he would face potentially the death penalty. It's a very severe charge, and so that's something that we're going to continue watching as it moves forward through the trial process. The judge ultimately did not issue bond over concern of both safety for the community and because this was a capital offense.
Maura, as we mentioned, the defense says the sheriff shot the judge during an extreme emotional disturbance, but we still don't know a lot about his motive. What more are you learning about the sheriff's daughter and how she may have been involved in all of this?
So, as there hasn't been an official motive entered into the record, but what we do know, first of all, a lot of this interaction, the shooting, was captured on surveillance video that was shown in one of the preliminary hearings, where we see Stines allegedly shoot Mullins as he's cowering under his desk, essentially. But we haven't seen on video that a detective testified previously is that moments before the shooting unfolded, Stines came into the judge's chambers, called his daughter from his phone, and then asked to see the judge's phone and tried to call his daughter from that phone. The detective testified that the judge's phone records show that there had been calls made to Stines, the sheriff's daughter. Now, it's important to note that the judge and the sheriff worked closely together before. They were described as friends prior to all of this unfolding. And so this is an extremely small rural town, everyone working together very closely. And so when you talk about the potential extreme emotional disturbance, again, we don't have details on what these calls to the daughter could have been about, but clearly from what we saw in that video, provoked a really emotional and violent response from the sheriff, guys.
Yeah, truly. All right, Maura Barrett, thank you very much.
Thanks for watching. Stay updated about breaking news and top stories on the NBC News app or follow us on social media.